What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burt Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with my channel. Now, I gotta hurry up and shoot this video, man. My power keep going out, and I've been trying to shoot this video for like 2-3 days, right? What we have here is a package with the classic Just Do It tape. Has made an appearance at my front doorstep. This shoe right here, I'm just gonna open it from the back, from the Nike Restock. Comment below if you guys have hit on the Nike Restock. I don't know if there's gonna be any more restocks coming. What's going on here? I don't know if there's gonna be any more restocks coming, but you gotta stay tapped in, you guys. You guys gotta find your favorite YouTuber that goes live, subscribe to their channel, and hit the notification bell for them too, because they're the ones that are gonna keep you tapped in. You know what I'm saying? I don't go live yet. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, or you know what, if we hit 500 subscribers at some point, then I'll start going live. But you know, right now we're at 170 plus. So I need your guys' help. For sure, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. But right now, we're just trying to get to 200. So hit that subscribe button. But like I was saying, make sure you hit your favorite YouTuber up that goes live and does live cops. And that's how you'll know about these restocks. You can also subscribe to J23 app, or you can go on Twitter. A lot of people are active on Twitter. Anyways, we got a box here. I hit on the Restock. I tried for every shoe, bro. And I'm going to tell you this. I always, when I'm shooting my shot, I shoot my shot for all shoes. And I don't always hit, but when I do hit, I'm happy. Right here, you should know by the box. It's a completely different box. 1985 Jordans, right? 1985 Air Jordan 1. Colorway. Quart purple and white. This is a women's release. So I have it in a size 11.5. Retail price $170. You dig? You dig? Like I said, I wanted to hurry up, unbox this before my power goes back out. So we're gonna open up the box. Boom. I know people like to see the inside of the box. We don't do fake pairs over here. It's retail or oh well on my channel for the most part. I think I've only ordered one shoe from StockX. And so man, all my shoes come straight from Nike. So here we go. Bow. Cool addition to my Jordan 1 family, man. I love the color purple. Represents royalty. You know what I'm saying? I've always been a big fan of purple. Let's go around the shoe. Let's talk about it. Now, just from feeling it, we'll take the shoe tree out real quick. Just from feeling the shoe, the leather is pretty soft. Obviously, I have a lot of Jordan 1s. Not as many as everybody else, but I have a lot of Jordan 1s. So I know good quality when I see it, especially on this shoe. Toe box, a little blown out, huh? So there you go. Toe box, pretty soft. Oh man, it has that good Jordan smell. We're happy about it, man. It's a simple shoe. It's all white. The purple Nike check, which is in a very shiny leather. You could almost say it's like a patent leather. You could almost say it's like a patent leather. Super duper shiny. Not like the Jordan 3.0 shattered backboards, but the leather on this is pretty damn shiny. Now, if you come around to the side, let me see if we can get a good close-up. It kind of got that old people skin look to it. You guys see what I'm saying? Come around the back and the heel. Same thing. Same thing. Come around front. Like I said, this is an 85, so I think like the tongue's a little bit higher. You see how high the tongue is? I think that's like the major difference. So the tongue's a little bit higher on these. Comes with a spare pair of laces. Jeez, bro, super blown out today. Let me turn my light down. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that will help a tad bit. Yeah, man, spare pair of laces, purple laces. I'm a Huskies fan from Washington State. So, you know, go Huskies. So that white and purple is going to be a good addition. I might have to message Jay the sneaker guy and ask him what I should swap the laces out with. Should I just do the purple? Should I do white? Should I add gold to it? I don't know, man. But this shoe is pretty fire. You got a leather tongue. In the inside of the shoe, you got that nice, vibrant, it's like a satin. It's like a satin purple. On the inside, you got a white Nike check. And of course, when you come down to the bottom, you got that nice, bright, vibrant purple. Yeah, I like this. I like my light like this. I look way better. Way better. Anyways, let's pull out this second shoe. And just so you guys can see, if you are going to order this shoe on StockX or any retailer like that, it comes with, the paper it comes with is like a somewhat transparent white paper with Jumpman Jordan signs on it all over it, right? That's the only paper that comes on the inside. It doesn't have any like quality control stickers or anything on it. Well, here's the second shoe, man. Quality shoe. No glue stains, no crazy creases, no markings on it. Clean shoe. It's gonna look perfect in the collection. Set these up there right next to them other court purples. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got another pair of court purples right next to the shatter backboards. So these will go up there with those. Super duper happy for this pickup, man. Like, I'm just super duper happy with this pickup, man. You got to take every W you can get on Nike because you never know. You never know. And if they know you're playing and if they know you're watching, sometimes when you hit on one, you'll hit the next week and you'll hit the next week and you'll hit the next week. So sometimes they come in waves, you know what I mean? I haven't hit. This is my first hit since, well, I hit on the Pollen Lows, but this is my first like retro Jordan hit since, I think, either the Pollen Highs or the Lightnings. You know what I'm saying? Them yellow 4s. Regardless, super duper happy with this pickup. Everything came in good order, came in good timing. So man, you guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you stay tapped in with the channel. It's your boy, Burr Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.